Here you go, kitty.
He's like,
Kitty.
I've had enough.
Kitty. You're so sweet. Look at that smile. Look at that smile. You're making the face. Are you making the face? Yes, he is.
What does she say? He used to be in Target, and in my lunch hour, I would go to Target and eat a check.
Look at him. He's really making the
And
face.
they would all like.
Make the face. Make the face. You done? Got a full diaper yet?
He's concentrating.
These are one too, but tone down those vowels.
Recipes for one from Stouffer's. Why yesterday? They were the first to be verified by the USDA, an independent organization.
I just love that face.
He's been working on this for a while.
I think we need some prunes. You done? Look. You just ready to crawl, aren't you? You just ready to crawl.
Where'd she go?
Kitten, she's over here. She's over here. There's that kitten. Look at our big boy. Look at our big boy. Look at our big boy. What do you think?
This is the checkout, where all the food is paid for. George wants to take a picture.
Look at that boy. He's almost crawling. There he goes. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. You can do it. He's almost doing it. Come on. There he goes.
Pedro, Grandad Dog has promised me it will be a very safe game.
Come on.
But it will be exciting. So what's the
Look at him. Isn't he smart?
be the plan?
He's so smart. Whee! He almost did it. He almost did it. Good boy. That's Mama's a good boy.
Difficult to understand.
Get up and do it again. Come on.